Downloading RedM is incredibly easy unless you forget to do one of these simple things. I'm going to take you through them so that you can follow along, and I'll get you playing RedM before you know it. Okay, so first you're going to need a copy of Red Dead Redemption 2 or Red Dead Online. This has to be a PC version. Sorry console users, no PlayStation, Xbox, etc. RedM only works as a modded version of the PC game. It doesn't actually matter if you have the game on Steam, Epic Games Store, or from Rockstar Games themselves. I'm working with the Steam version for this tutorial, but it should work no matter where you have the game. Next, you're going to need to download the Rockstar Launcher. Even if you didn't buy through Rockstar, you still need the Rockstar Launcher to be able to actually play the game and therefore play RedM. Now you have the game, make sure you install it. Once you have, make sure the Rockstar Launcher is open, go ahead and start to play the game. Even if you have no intention to actually play the story mode or RDO, you do have to open the game at least once so that various files can have a chance to download and RedM will have something to work with. Then we head over to redm.gg. This is the official RedM website. It's a great source of all things RedM, but for now, we just want to click on the download client redm.exe. Read through the terms of service, click OK, and it should automatically open up your Explorer and ask where you want to save your file. If it doesn't happen automatically, you can just click here like I did. So pick a place where you want to save it and click Save. I personally tend to make a folder for each server that I regularly play on, and I put a copy of RedM there, but you can absolutely just have one copy of RedM and use it to play on any server you like. Once it's downloaded, click on that and it will start to update RedM. RedM will then request where your game directory is, as in where is Red Dead Redemption 2 or Red Dead Online. For Steam, it automatically opens up my Explorer and asks me to find it in my Steam library. On the screen is the address of where to find the EXL file. rdr2.exl is what you're looking for, but sometimes it can be a little hard to find. Here is the address of where it is. You'll need to look under your program files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Red Dead Redemption 2, and then in there you'll find RDR2. If you're unsure, if you right click and go to Properties and then go to Details, you'll see that the original file name is rdr2.exe. Remember, I am using Steam and I have the game Red Dead Redemption 2. If you're looking for Red Dead Online, it will be a different path and a different EXL that you're looking for, bear that in mind. If you have it on Epic, search where you have the Epic games on your computer and find it that way. And if you're having problems, make sure again that you have the Rockstar Launcher open and Steam open, because they are common problems. As RedM is a mod, it can often be blocked by virus protection or firewalls on your computer. For example, Avast has definitely flagged RedM as malware in the past, making some users resort to just uninstalling it completely. Hopefully your computer will actually flag that your firewall is blocking something, and do you want to allow it through? If so, say yes. Otherwise, you might have to actually delve into your virus protection and specifically allow RedM through, or make sure you rescue any files from any quarantine that it might have been put in. You do need to be quite patient with this process. I'm keeping this tutorial short and sweet by speeding up some of the process, but this can take some time, so do get yourself a drink and relax, or go out and touch some grass while this is all updating and doing its thing. Once it's gone through the entire process, it'll finally start up RedM. Make sure you agree to the terms of service, and then it will take you to this page. It will ask you to log in, but you don't actually need to. Just click away from that. And here is where you'll find all the different servers that you could possibly want. But which one do you join? Well, I have a whole playlist full of server spotlights, so you can find the right server for you. Go check it out. And with that, I'm gonna F8 and quit, which is how you leave RedM if you were wondering.